am Hafsa Khalil Toor, Assistant Professor at Department of Psychology. I welcome you all on behalf of my Head of Department, Professor Dr. Tanveer Akhtar, and my faculty members. I hope you will find this orientation session useful and informative. It will facilitate you at your upcoming journey at Foundation University and specifically at Department of Psychology. Foundation University aspires to be among the leading institutions of higher learning at the national level that contributes toward the development of the nation through excellence in education and research. Foundation University has two campuses, Foundation University Islamabad campus and Foundation University Rawalpindi campus, directed by Pro-Rector Brigadier Dr. Abdul Ghafoor. Foundation University Rawalpindi campus has three faculties, Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology, Faculty of Management Sciences, Department of Psychology comes under the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences. We have highly qualified faculty members who are trained from national and international universities. Moreover, we are delighted to inform you that Department of Psychology has an official publication platform, that is Foundation University Journal of Psychology, which is organized by HEC in Y category. Furthermore, we have Psychology Clinic, which serve as a primary training sites for students who are pursuing MS degree in clinical psychology. Department of Psychology offers three programs, BS Psychology, MS Clinical Psychology. Foundation University follows HEC recognized curriculum for BS Psychology, which is 8th semester 4 years program, MS Clinical Psychology 4th semester 2 years program, and for PhD 2 semester of coursework and thesis research work. The academic experience of university is quite different from college and school life. Dear students, now you are in university where semester system is followed, where your active participation is required throughout the semester. Students are motivated to show keen interest on daily lessons being delivered by the teachers and be responsible for all the continuous assessment throughout the semester. 3 semesters are offered in a year and 1 short semester for those students who are unable to pass the regular semester. Students are assessed throughout the year. For BS program, sessional cover 25 marks, which include assessments, quizzes, projects, presentation and attendance. Midterm examination carries 25 marks and final term examination covers 50 marks in total. For MS and PhD students, sessional are of 30 marks, midterm 20 and finals are of 50 marks. Students can only appear in the courses that they have registered in. Failure to register in relevant courses may lead to complications. Midterm will be held in 9th week of semester. Student must ensure that they appear in the midterm examination. There will be no retest for sessionals, midterms or final term examination. It is mandatory for each student to have at least 75% attendance in all the registered courses. Even if students are repeating failed courses, they are required to attend the classes and maintain 75% attendance to be eligible to appear in the final term examination. Marks are converted to numerical value in terms of grade point average, that is GPA. For example, 60% of marks yield GPA of 2.0, 70% marks yield GPA of 3. It is the responsibility of the student to keep record of their GPA, credit hours, and registration of their courses. Dear students, you must obtain at least 50% marks in each subject to pass a course. At the same time, a student must obtain overall 2 CGPA, that is 60% marks at bachelor level, and 2.5 CGPA, that is 65% mark at master level, to avoid being put on academic probation. MS level, students securing less than 3 CGPA are not allowed to take thesis and will have to study 2 courses. All students are requested to follow a proper dress code. For male students, shorts and slippers are not allowed, and for female students, jeans, short shirts, sleeveless shirts and heavy jewelry is not allowed. Student failing to adhere the dress code will be charged an amount of ₹1,000 per day for the first week and will not be allowed to enter the university if he or she does not adhere to specified dress code. All students have to display the university ID card while entering the gate and throughout their presence in the university. In case of any queries, you can contact Mr. Mazhar Javed on the given contact details. Dear students, I wish you best of luck on behalf of Department of Psychology. I hope you will have great learning experience at Foundation University in upcoming years. Thank you.